Outlet faceplate missing or loose. That's a quick fix that can save you from accidental shocks and keep your walls looking sharp. So, first off, turn off the power to the outlet at your circuit breaker. You gotta be safe here. Then, if the faceplate is missing, grab a new one that matches your outlet style and size. They are usually super cheap at any hardware store. When you're putting it on, make sure the screws are snug but not over-tightened, or you might crack the plate. If your faceplate is loose but still there, just tighten the screws a bit with a screwdriver until it feels secure. If the screws won't tighten because the holes are stripped, try using a little bit of toothpaste or a piece of folded paper inside the hole to give the screw some grip. Don't forget to check that the outlet isn't damaged underneath. If it is, you might want to call an electrician instead of DIYing. Once it's all good, turn the power back on and give it a quick wiggle test to make sure it's firmly in place. Keeping that faceplate tight or replaced not only looks better but keeps kids and pets safer from exposed wires. One of the biggest mistakes with outlet faceplates is ignoring a loose or missing plate altogether, which can lead to electrical hazards or even short circuits. Always replace or tighten as soon as possible. Another common issue is over-tightening screws, causing cracks or breaks in the plate, so just get them snug, not crazy tight. Lastly, people sometimes skip turning off the power before working on outlets, which is super dangerous. Always flip off the breaker and double check with a tester if you can before touching anything. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who can help with electrical work like fixing or installing outlet faceplates safely. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with clients looking for reliable home improvement help nearby.